Well, hello there, mob family. The boys are off with their dad this weekend, and I am starting on the dryer project. I got all of my boxes in. Let's see. There's the scissors. Move, Cash. Move. No, you can't have scissors. Alright, so. I have a terrible headache, but there's so much to do this weekend. Here's my belt. Okay. Whatever, yeah. Alright, so move. You cannot have that. Cashmere. Leave it. This must be the... No. No. Sit. Sit. Why can't I have just one child? Four-legged or two-legged that listens to me? Cashmere. Hey, sit. Down. Thank you. Alright. So yeah, I have a terrible headache, and I really just want to go to bed and like not wake up, but I want clean clothes. I've not been able to wash this whole week, and my little washing buddy has not had a job to do. So things have been interesting around here. I know I'm not going to have enough time before the sun goes down to get it all done, but I just really want to get it done as much as I can. So, packing slip. Blower assembly, yay, this is what I wanted. So, here's the little blower thingy. And there's the motor in there. Alright, I'm going to leave that in this box. And we have the, no. Let's stick this in here. And no, you can have that. And the little pulley that I ordered is, I thought I put it over here. No, this is not the place where mail goes to die. No, it is not. Here it is. Here's the pulley, the place that mail goes to die. Really need to clean this house. Okay. So I've got the water disconnected out here. I've got the electric disconnected already. So now I just need to start taking it apart. Marking what goes with what. Okay, I think I'm done for the night because my head is pounding and I just want to go to bed. So, thanks for watching me be crazy and try to fix stuff on my own. Thank you so much. I'll be back tomorrow to show you the rest and maybe, hopefully,
the next day.
Okay, so I am back on this dryer thing. My dad's gonna come help me this afternoon, so I am going to finish getting it accessible. Oh god, I need my sunglasses. Okay, that's better. So I'm gonna finish doing this dryer thing, and y'all can watch. It's gonna be fun. I need a tripod. You should see the contraption that I've just put together. So I need to take off this front panel. More screws. See if I can do this in this tiny little space. Okay, so there are several YouTube videos that I watched to see how to do this. Found only one that showed me how to take this off, but I did not find one that showed me how to take the motor out. Access panel, or whatever, the front panel for the dryer that I am taking off to be able to access the drum to get the belt off, because I'm replacing that while I have it open. Okay, so probably need both hands for this. Okay, well, that's that. Oh, I can reach it. Alright, so I've got the thing off. God, all this lint is gross. You don't even realize how much lint. Anyway, that's going out. So this is the tube. So we need to go to, where's my screwdriver? Did I leave it up there? I bet you I left it up there, because that would make awesome sense to move the ladder before you get your screwdriver. Yep, I left it up there. Alright, so, tiny spaces, working in tiny spaces. Okay, now I have the water disconnected. I just need to get this back panel. I had to move this so it's even tighter to squeeze in here. So, we're taking this back panel off, and there, put that there. Put that there, and do have some places that we can. Alright, so we've got to take this belt off, this little tension pulley, and alright, that's off, and we are going to take out this tension pulley. Because this tension pulley is going to be replaced also. Because why not? Less parts to replace one day. Alright, so this tension pulley is trash. And now I need to get the belt off the drum. Probably move it over now that I have it unplugged. So just slip it off the drum. Alright, so, oh crap, did I lose it? Alright, so, there it is. Ta-da! I got it off. I feel so special. Alright. I think I'm going to wait for my dad to take out the motor, and then we'll replace it and put all these parts back together. Because I don't feel like doing this by myself anymore. He's gonna come back later, but at least I got most of it ready to go. Pull out the motor and blower, put it in, we'll be done. See you later.
Alright, so...
The screwdriver, I think I'll put it back.
Yeah, I want to see the motor.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, that's not the same.
Oh my
That
goodness,
doesn't match
yeah.
anything.
No, it doesn't.
Alright, so, hang on. Alright. Oh, you got the belt off.
Yeah, I got the belt off.
Alright, let's just check the motor piece out before we go any further.
Okay.
I mean...
That is not the same, is it?
Alright, now... There's a sensor, 1, 2, 3, 4 wires on this sensor. Is this thing? Looks like it's in a different spot too. So the belt was no problem.
No,
It
it's
right
super
off the
easy.
front.
Yeah.
Once you got all the front off. It's quite a bit different. Oh, this is that's not good. This is different than before. Oh, there it goes. Alright, hang on. Alright, now we gotta get the plug undone and we gotta figure out how these wires are plugged in here before we take it out.
Okay.
And I
Give me a
couldn't see-
flathead screw.
A what?
Flathead screwdriver.
Okay. You know what?
Hmm.
This is not jammed anymore.
Huh. Give me my phone. I'll take a picture of the wires.
Eventually.
Okey-dokey. So I got the part in for the dryer, and I am going to open it. Oh, please be the right part. Ta-da. And it's about to rain. Let's see. Let's go see if this is going to fit. That is the old part, and this is the new part, and it does not look the same. Why is it that when you look up a part on the internet, it does not equate to round hole and right there, and this does not? So guess what? I think I'm SOL on this actually working. I wonder if I can get this to work even though it is cracked. What do you think? Think I can do it? Guess what? I think I'm gonna have to try and see it fixes it. So, now I just need to put the thing back on, but I am going to wait until it stops raining, hopefully.
3 days later.
Hello, my family. Today I am attempting to hack a fix so I can at least use my dryer until I get the part that I tried to order from eBay, but it was the wrong part. So I am going to go get super glue, but before that I'm going to put the new belt and the new belt pulley on the dryer, and then I'm going to go get super glue and I'm going to try and glue that crack and see if that'll hold well enough for me to actually just use it to get the essentials cleaned and dried today. So that's what we're doing. This off and get it ready to be crazy glued.
Okay, just do that and then we'll do stuff. We'll actually start working.
Yeah. It is off. Should probably clean it a bit.
Mom?
Yes, sir?
Never let Noah watch a movie with a vegetarian main character.
Why?
Because he wants to be a vegetarian.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Yay. Two. One. Dun, 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 dun.
Okay, now we don't want a ton, but I want you to put a line of glue in those cracks from the edge to the middle. That's good. Just keep going.
Really coming out.
Kind of push it with the tip.
I'm gonna spread it out.
No, not with your finger. Super glue. Watch. Stop. Move. Give. You use the tip of the super glue. If you don't want to super glue your fingers together, my darling. Okay.
No, I need to go wash my hands.
Okay, go ahead. I'll finish this side. Okay. Thank you for announcing.
My hands are already glued together.
Your hands are glued. Why did you glue yourself?
It wasn't my fault. I was trying to help. I should have had experience from Sandra's girlfriend. She got her fingers stuck together.
The more super glue you use, the better, right? Make sure it gets in those cracks real good. Okay, it says 30 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23.
I'm holding it together so it will hopefully grab the sides together because there was kind of a gap. So, I don't know. I'm having a feeling this is not going to work, but we're going to try it. You know, a $3 fix is better than a $70 fix.
Kids, don't touch fingers with super glue or crazy glue.
Advice to follow.
It almost ripped my skin off.
Yeah. Just put the top on. I might need it. I think I'm going to super glue the other side as soon as this is dry. 1 hour later.
No, 30 seconds.
No, it's been 30 seconds and it's not quite dry, but I did put a lot.
Yeah.
So, it probably needs a minute or two.
Inside there's probably chemicals.
Yes, it is chemicals. It is super glue.
It's bothering my...
It's bothering your skin. It's burning it. Ow.
No, like that was already there.
Oh.
Like it got inside.
Yeah. Go soak your finger in some Dawn in water. How many people think this is actually going to work? I'm skeptical. I'm skeptical that this will work. I don't know what will, but I need a washer dryer to be able to wash clothes. It's really hard to work and take care of kids when you don't have a washer and dryer. I know there's people that do it, and I don't know how they do. First world problems. Broken dryers. When you use a laundry line, your clothes become crusty. At least mine do. Not a fan. Done it before. Nope, just, sitting here looking at glue, waiting for it to dry.
You're not getting your fingers stuck together.
I'm not doing that. I'm not touching the glue.
Good job.
Hey, your auntie did that once too.
It was an accident, wasn't it?
She glued her fingers to dominoes, making a Christmas gift.
That's sad.
Yeah.
I
should try to find that picture.
How old was she?
Late 20s, at least.
I'm going to turn off the water.
Okay.
It's in years since she's done that.
No.
Like 12?
Well, maybe, yeah. Depends. I can't remember when it was. I know we were making gifts for each other. Was it the year that I did the pillows? If it was the year that I did the pillows, I was in Florida, and that was 2000-ish. Yeah, 2000. So it would be 17 and a half years ago.
I'm 54 pounds.
54 pounds? What you been eating, bricks?
No.
That's good, bud. Oh, okay, eat. Hey, lunch is the chicken. If you want to get that, but you need to save some for everybody. Not, huh? No, it's for everyone today. And then we have a vegetable tray. If you could take that out. That's lunch. Vegetable tray and rotisserie chicken. Suit yourself. Starve. No carbs. No snacks until you eat lunch. Okay, well, you want me to get the vegetable tray out? What? Okay. Should I dare touch it to see if it's dry? I really think I need to just let it sit for a while. No, it's still tacky. I touched it.
You need to get some fruit.
I have fruit. I have bananas and apples. Did you not see that?
No.
Well, clean up the table and maybe you can see the fruit. Can't see the fruit because they leave all their stuff on the table. If you didn't leave all the stuff on the table, you could see the fruit, right? Right. Okay, goodbye. Where is the hairdryer? We're going to try and help this process.
So you're videoing?
Mm-hmm.
Are you touching it?
No, I'm not touching it. The crack is in the middle. See where that liquid is kind of shiny?
Oh, what? Right there?
Yep, don't touch it.
So you're trying to seal it?
Yes. Trying to seal the crack. So.
The water won't
No, so when I put this on the shaft for the engine, the motor, it will stay on, because if it's cracked, this piece right here will open and it will fall off the shaft.
You know you're videoing. Oh, you're videoing so you can tell them what to do.
Because I think it's cool that I DIY everything.
So she's DIY.
I miss DIY.
These are Mom and Cheese DIY. We're making videos.
Yeah, buddy.
Hopefully it dries so you can let me pop these goodies.
Yes, because that's what I need to do right now, is watch you cross the street. That's important. Moment of truth. Well, not really. Gotta hook it all back up. Okay.
Is that the fan that was broken?
Alright, I'm gonna need both of your hands. I have to put this back up.
Here you go, Mr. Apple.
Whoa!
Don't die.
Yeah. No, because in order to turn on a dryer, you
The
have
door needs to be closed
Yeah, you have to have the door closed.
so nobody dies.
What,
We
baby?
still need to make up Passion's birthday.
What do you mean? Oh, we need to set a date for it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How about right after that, dude? How about me and Cashmere share a birthday?
What?
Can me and Cashmere share a birthday?
Ah! I really can't talk about that right at the moment.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, Mommy.
Damn it. I'm just going to hold this up somehow.
I'll say, Cash.
But first I need to do this and this.
I have an idea, I think.
No, not that. I just need this done. That's the washer. I just need the dryer done. Don't hold anything yet. I need to plug it in, and then I need to...
Apples for you, Cashmere.
Okay, so I'm going to hold this, hopefully, like this. Okay, now flip this up.
I want to get shot.
Ta-da! Thank you, super glue!
We're good. Bye-bye.
New belt. New belt. Jonathan, I need your help for a second.
Take it on my sock.
That's fine. It's probably a good idea.
What do you mean?
Alright, I need you to help me get this up because I need 2
Oh.
hands. So what we're going to do is we're going to work together to lift this up. Okay? We're going to have to turn it this way once it's... No. I'm going to get up there.
How?
You're
not
gonna stand
skinny
here.
enough.
Oh, you are going to be in so much trouble.
I'm sorry.
I haven't been working on this for 3 weeks now without your help.
Are you
Okay,
good?
can you... No, I need you to hand me the Phillips screwdriver that's behind the washer. It's kind of tucked in that little hole.
Ugh.
Please don't give me an attitude. This is how you're going to get clean clothes.
Okay, bye.
Bye!
I'm
Thank you
like,
for your
yes.
help!
You're not welcome.
I know! Oh, son of a biscuit. Why though? Why? How many zip ties? Okay, so my issue right now is there is a missing little clamp right there in that hole. See, there's one here, not one there. So this thing won't sit straight. So let's see if I have a zip tie, because it's about as good as it's going to get right now. It's hot, it's humid, and I have a zip tie. Awesome! I really don't care if this is the right way to do it or not. Maybe eventually one day I'll get it fixed right, but until then, zip tie it is. Alright, now just need to cut that off. Ta-da. Okay, so we have, now I can put all those little screws in that I should have done way before I did this. I'm thinking that this goes in there somewhere. I really don't give a shit right now. Dumbest thing I've ever done. So put that stupid door on before I screwed this stupid thing on. Door is not closed. Duh. Yes! Look at this beautiful, beautiful thing turning. Oh my gosh, that is such a sweet, sweet sound.